how to add a profile photo to your account on Notion, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it. First, open your browser and here we'll find settings and members. Click on it and then click my account, and if you want to add it, first click upload photo and then select any photo you want here, and now click update, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.